Hey, welcome back. This is Stoney, and this is the challenge build video that Graveyard Prospecting sent me. So in case you were too busy watching him in his wetsuit, I'm gonna lay down the rules for you real quick. It has to be items that you can purchase or make from scratch, and you can't use any mining equipment. There's also a $60 limit, and we have a 24-hour build time. So we can take breaks here and there, go to our jobs, live our normal lives, as long as we build it within 24 hours. Also, we're allowed to use 2 household items if we choose to do so. And the piece of equipment has to be able to take at least a full shovel full of dirt to run through. Now we're gonna grade on portability, creativity, and effectiveness. Does he know that he's talking to the DIY king right here? He ain't got nothing on me, I guarantee it. So sit back, relax, get yourself a nice drink, and watch the show. Let's get started.